welcome to the new studio. I'm gonna be showing you around, but I won't do like a pottery studio tour because this is gonna come later on, showing you how I did organize everything. It's been a long while. I'm really sorry, but as you can see, just creating this space took a long while. Today I had the beautiful news that my laptop died, so I need to go get one. And yeah, I need to record the video and see if the new laptop is working and everything. So it was the perfect opportunity for me to record a bit of videos. And yeah, we're gonna be working on the studio. I need to glaze some pots or just go through the glaze because I need to actually glaze fire some of the new pieces I'm creating. If you want me to create a dedicated video showing the process of creating this new space, I would do so. Or if you wanna have like, I don't know, like a regular video, which would be me working in the space, also sharing some clips of the creation of the pottery studio. Without further ado, we are gonna be just working like a regular day, even though today I just have 1 hour and something before I go teach the contemporary class, the dance class. I hope you're doing wonderful, and I'm really sorry because yeah, it's been a long while. I haven't got any moment for me to record anything, so let's go, let's start working. Those are the pieces that I'm gonna be loading on this glaze firing. Also we have some others in here and some others down here, and this is the other space I have behind. And yeah, basically here I'm having pieces from my students and also my own. We're gonna be loading the kiln that we have it in here with one piece. I'm gonna be placing you somewhere, and I'm gonna be wearing the mask and just cleaning up and smoothing out some of the surface of the pots. The little mushrooms, the ones I'm creating lately with this new design, like a sitting one. I got inspired from a dinosaur that I'm gonna be showing you because I did not show it to you guys. I have created a dinosaur and it's so sweet, and yeah, I thought it would be fun also to try this sitting sculpture with the mushrooms. So yeah, basically the thing I'm gonna be doing today is just cleaning the bottom of the pots. This one is already cleaned, but I have some others that I haven't got the chance to do it yet, so we're gonna be doing that. That's the step I enjoy the least because it's really boring and I really don't enjoy to having the mask, even though we have to, and it's for my safety is, I don't know, not that fun. The fun part is that I just arrived and I need to leave in 10 minutes, more or less. I'm gonna show you, I'm testing now. Well, basically now I'm mixing a lot of glazes. I always loved mixing glazes, but this time I thought it would be the time to do it. So I'm having some test starts like this one, this little cup, in which I was mixing white glazes, green glazes, blues, and also some oxides, and yeah, I think they are pretty fun. And those I did glaze them already with the blue glaze and a white glaze, and now I'm gonna paint on top a tiny bit of oxides because it's giving this metallic effect that I really like. I'm just glazing really randomly. It's not that I don't care, but I really like the organic look that is giving to it, and I did mix a lot of oxide. I'm gonna be painting a tiny bit on the outside of the cup, like really whatever, random. I'll try to get back into recording YouTube videos, but the thing is that right now I'm just quite busy managing the new studio. I'm starting to teach some regular classes, I'm having some students, and that's so fun and lovely. It's what I wanted to do since a while, but I haven't got the space, and now, did I mess up? No. Now I finally can do so. So yeah, that's the thing that is happening right now. I'm also spending a lot of time performing with the dance company, and also I'm still teaching in the dance school. This year though, I'm teaching a tiny bit less. I'm just teaching 2 days per week because I needed to step back a tiny bit from teaching contemporary dance. I still love it, but I wanted to give some time for me to, to get back to performing. I'm working with the same dance company, but maybe start working with other projects or just spending more time here in the studio. So as you can see, I'm just randomly painting the oxide on the mug, and now it got dirty because I accidentally touched those dots. So yeah, whatever, just allowing the piece to get the shape that it wants to have. And I'm gonna do exactly the same with this one. That this one is just the blue and white glaze again, if I'm not mistaken, because I think I forgot. And I'm gonna just again give a tiny bit of oxide on the back and maybe on the front also. There was a moment in which also I needed to step back from YouTube because I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just doing a lot of stuff at the same time, and I did not want to put that pressure into myself also because I'm recording videos because I want to, not because I have to. Since my computer got broken, and I need to see if the new one that I bought, which is a MacBook Pro, I have no clue. I went this morning and I already forgot what I bought. But yeah, I wanted to see the difference between the one that I had and the new one. So here we have the other one that I painted this time with the oxide three lines, and yeah, we'll see. Those lines are giving you this metallic texture. So let's go and load it to the kiln. Right now it's 6:30 and I'm teaching at 8 in the dance school. So yeah, I just need to load this glaze firing as fast as I can, which is not a good idea. And I don't know if I'll be able to make it, to load everything on the kiln, but we'll try. So the layer underneath is from my students. The one I'm loading now is from my pieces that I'm having a lot of little mushrooms, and here you can see. And now I need to load some other stuff, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it because it's actually, I need to leave in 15 minutes, close the studio and go. Let's see. I bought some slips. I wanted to have some of them for the students to see the colors that they can use. Look at this cutie. This is from one of my students. She's so talented. She's creating like small little creatures that are so cute. So the kiln is loaded. I needed to leave like 20 minutes ago, and there was a guy that just wanted to get some information, so I had to give him, and it's completely fine. But now let's see if I'm able to make it to the dance school. So I'm gonna see you in the next one, or maybe I'm gonna keep recording during the week, I don't know. But I hope you're doing wonderful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any doubts or if you wanna see anything from me, just let me know. Yeah, it was lovely to share something with you guys, a tiny bit, maybe. I don't know if this video makes sense, but just wanted to say hi and I love you. And yeah, hope you're doing fine. See you next time.